Hi guys, Jason here, Robot Lawnmowers Australia. Today I'm just going to introduce a new product we've got here at the moment, which is our braided wire or armoured wire for our boundary wires. It's a fantastic product. We've just got it in, so it's just hitting our website at the moment, so you can purchase it. It comes in 100 metre rolls, 300 metre rolls and 500 metre rolls. We don't cut it by the metre, and the primary reason for this product is pure and simply just strength. So this wire, I'll show you on the screen in a second, has got a braided outside, so the wire itself is very thick. It's got a very durable outer sleeve. It's got a metal braid, then an interior nylon sleeve or sheath, and then the inner core. So it's a very strong structure of a cable, and very, very difficult to cut with just regular garden tools, whether it be with a shovel or something like that. So it's very difficult to actually cut, so very, very strong. Comparable to all the other cables that are on the market at the moment in Australia, there's nothing that's as strong as this. I've just got my hand here, some typical wire. So here's the wire that comes with the 139 and 140 Works Landroids. It's quite thin, good wire but very thin. Then the 150 from the WR150 from Works is a little bit thicker. And then the high quality Ambrosia wire, the medium duty Ambrosia wire we use. Great quality wire, but the exterior sheath of this new wire is much, much, much stronger. And I'll show you a picture on our screen there now of all those four there together, so you can see the difference in diameter and the difference in the wire. And then just quickly, I just want to run you through how these rolls actually arrive. Now we've packaged these just in boxes, which is very similar to many other wires on the market. But these wires will be very, very clear that when you get them, so it actually comes in a roll like such, which is wrapped in plastic and then got ties around the outside as well. We've put little instructions on the box here of exactly what you need to do. I'll put those up on the screen here briefly for you. But you open the box, you remove the roll of wire out of the box, you take the plastic off it only, not the tie wires, and find the inner core. So there's an end there just at the top there, which goes on the inside of the coil, not on the outside of the coil. So somewhere else there it is there, the end on the outside. You do not use that end there. You always use the end that's on the interior of the coil, the one that goes down into the center. So you find that end, just bend it up so you've identified it, put the whole coil back in the box, and once it's in the box, then cut these ties around the outside. So there's 3 ties. Cut those ties when it's actually in the box and you're hanging onto that end. Then you pull the end out of the box and then close the box back up again, like such, leaving your tail sticking out through the middle of the box, like such. I'm not sure if you can see that there or not. So it comes out through the middle there, and then you can actually pull that wire out and it won't get tangled and twisted. If you untie it from the wrong end, you'll end up in quite a mess, and if you take those ties off before you put it back in the box again you could end up in quite a mess. Unless you've got a drum or something to put it around, which you can wind it off, then more than welcome to do so. But the idea is that they stay in the box. Take all the wrapping and the tie off and pull that center cable up through the middle of the box there, so that you don't end up tangling all your wire. So that's it for this one, guys. It was just a quick one just to introduce the product, just to let you know that it's now available. As always, if you need to ask any questions of us, please do so. You can give us a call. You can email us on sales@robotlawnmowers.com.au. You can check us out on Facebook and message us if you need to. Just look for Robot Lawnmowers Australia on Facebook, or check out our website, which is www.robotlawnmowers.com.au. Thanks for watching.